Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are at the critical moment in life, choosing your engineering stream, this one for you. The big battle, mechanical engineering versus computer engineering. On one hand, CSE looks shiny and hot right now. On other, mechanical feels traditional. But is it actually the smarter choice? Today, I will give 10 real facts why mechanical engineering might just be the better option. Not just now, but in the long run. Let's see. The first fact we're going to consider regarding the admission and type of the colleges. And here, a major hidden benefit, you have a better chance of getting into top institutions like IITs, NITs, and Tier 1 colleges through mechanical engineering. Why? Because competition is more in CSE branch and cutoffs are too high, but with mechanical, there slightly lower demand, you can still land a top seat with lower rank. Also, the tuition fee for mechanical are often lower than for CSE in many private colleges, sometimes saving you lakhs over 4 years. That a big deal for many families. Fact number 2, mechanical engineers can enter IT. And here something really powerful, mechanical engineer can still move into IT roles by learning programming, data science, automation tools, or cloud technologies. That door is wide open. But IT or CSE graduate, they cannot just walk into a mechanical engineering or core engineering role without going back to learn those fundamentals. This gives mechanical engineers a double advantage, access to both core and tech careers, depending on your interest and skill development. Fact number 3, SAP plus mechanical is equal to high income. Here a game changer that almost nobody tells you. Mechanical engineer can earn more than coders by becoming a SAP functional consultant. SAP is a software used by industries to manage operations, supply chain, and production. Mechanical engineers who specialize in SAP module like production planning, plant maintenance, or material management are in massive demand. They understand factory floors, logistics, and machines, and that's exactly what SAP runs on. Many of these engineers are earning top salaries in MNCs, often without writing a single line of code. Mechanical give you core knowledge plus the power to shift into high income roles. Next fact, very interesting fact, government and PSU jobs favor mechanical. If you are aiming for government sectors or PSU like BHEL, ISRO, DRDO, railways or ONGC, mechanical is a solid bet. Many of these roles are open only to core branches, so if job security and public sector appeal to you, mechanical wins. The very important fact, mechanical engineers are to replace by AI. Coding is being automated more every day with tools like ChatGPT or different AI tools. Even average programming jobs are becoming well and replaceable. But designing a thermal system for power plant or optimizing a jet turbine, that takes real world knowledge, creativity, and engineering instincts. AI cannot replicate that. Next fact, career flexibility like no other. The CSE mostly leads to tech companies and coding jobs, but mechanical engineers, they are in aerospace, automotive, robotics, energy, manufacturing, logistics, and management. You name it. That means you are not tied to one industry. You can shift industries without changing careers. One more fact, hands-on learning equals deep learning. One major plus, you are not stuck in front of a screen all day. Mechanical is practical. You are working in labs, testing prototypes, doing design projects, and solving real problems with real materials. For a lot of students, this hands-on approach is way more engaging and meaningful. Next fact, the mechanical engineering not just gears, you are building the future. Mechanical is not just about old school engines anymore. Today, it's electric vehicles, robotics, clean energy, automation, and even biomedical devices. You could be working on Tesla next drivetrain or a Mars rover prototype. This field is evolving fast and it's more high-tech than you think. Next fact, you can see your work move. In CSE, you code something and it runs. Cool, but digital. In mechanical, you build something and it moves. A drone flies, a robot arm lifts, a motor spins, and you made it happen. There is deep emotional satisfaction in seeing your idea become something real, something you can touch, test, and pick. Final fact, emotional satisfaction and long-term value. Mechanical engineers often say this, I build things that live in the real world. That pride, that emotion, it's real. When your design helps improve efficiency, when a system you work on help a city save powers, or when your project comes to life, it feels amazing. With CSE, it's fast-paced and trendy. But with mechanical, it's deep, real, and lasting. Let's conclude. If you love tech, logic puzzles, and digital innovation, CSE might be your thing. But if you love machines, physics, creativity, and solving real-world problems, mechanical might be the smarter and more stable and more satisfying choice. Plus, you are not stuck. You can still learn coding, enter tech roles, move into SAP, or become a part of Industry 4.0 revolution. You have got more paths open than you think. If this video gave you clarity, hit that like button. It helps more students find this. Subscribe for more real world career advice. Tell me in the comments which branch are you choosing and why. I had love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, build boldly, think deeply, and never stop learning. Thank you.